Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix other user not displaying in Windows 11 or 10 login screen. So firstly guys, click on start, type CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now visit this page and copy this code techproadvice.blogspot.com, other user not displaying, search here, then edit and paste this command line. Now close it and restart. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve other users not displaying in Windows 11 or 10 login screen. Please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos. And please comment this method work for you or not.